Okay, so another thing we will look at again is position sticky. Okay, position sticky. As for position sticky, before we can demonstrate that, I want to add some content on the page. So I want to add some content. Let me come here. Okay, let's comment this one out, for we will use it once more. Let me comment this one out and create a new content called h1. This is just some demonstration. Okay, don't mind my spellings, whatever the spellings be, don't mind it. Okay, I know that's not how to spell it, but I'm too lazy to change it. So Lorem, let's generate some characters of maybe 300 words. It's going to be a lot. Okay, 300 words, and let me style them. Let me give them some styles. So the h1 is going to have a color of maybe red, and then have some font width of 500 pixels. Then I'll target the paragraph, which is the one that contains the content. Okay, this is the paragraph, and then this one was the one that we just give the style to. So the paragraph, I'll give it also a font size of, I want it to be big. Okay, so 19 pixels. And I think let me just look at the changes. Very good. This is now what we have. This is perfect for our demonstrations. Okay, so I'm coming to create another element that we will use to demonstrate the position sticky. Okay, so I'll create another element of p, and I'll call it I am the sticky element. I am the sticky element. Okay, let me give it a class of sticky. My spellings, as for today, I don't know what I ate that my spellings is doing that, but it shall be fine. sticky, sticky, and let me give it a color of green. Okay, let me give it a color of green, and then background of, let me just give it some colors that will be visible for everyone to see. Yellow is not, so orange, and then black. Very good. So let's refresh. This is the element that we are going to use for the demonstration, right? And you all can see that we have content on the screen. This is our heading, and this is the element we are coming to use for the demonstration. So what I will do is I'll come to that particular element, this sticky element. I'm talking about the one that we are coming to use for the demonstration. Okay, so I'll come here and then I'll give it position of sticky. And when I give it a position of sticky, look at what happens. Let's refresh. At the moment, nothing is going to happen. This is how the position sticky works. As for the position sticky, it will work only when you specify either the left or the right or top button, any of the property. Okay, you have to specify at least one before it will work, just as any other position values, like the absolute and the fixed. So you come here and then we set the top to be equal to 50 pixels, and look at what happens. We set the top to 50 pixels, we refresh, and at the moment we see nothing happening. But let's try to scroll. You see, the moment we try to scroll, we see it's sitting there. We see it sitting there. When we scroll to the top, it resumes its normal position. Okay, this is the normal position it was. Okay, but as we start to scroll, then it gets fixed or static as we have specified. Let me come back and change it so that you can see it more. We are changing from 50 pixels to 10 pixels, and then let's refresh once again. Okay, so this is the position of the element. It will not do anything unless it gets to the specified top, which is 10 pixels. Then it will start acting a way that it will start acting sticky. So you see, under normal circumstance, it is moving with the flow of the text or the content on the screen. All right, but when it gets to a top of 10 pixels, then it becomes static. Okay, so this is a 10 pixel top, and then it has become static. It will not move again. So position static is mostly used on websites for making the nav bars. Okay, you can see that there are some nav bars. When you scroll them, they are just static on the page. They are static. So even if you are the footer side, you can still reach out some of the menus on the nav bar, okay, navigation bar. So this is how it is done. They use the position sticky to get it fixed on top. All right, and if you come here and you set it to 0, that one too will work. If you set it to 0, it is going to work, but that one, it will get fixed at the top. Okay, this is what you are seeing. It will get fixed at the top. So basically, that is all about the position sticky. Okay, you get to specify the left, the right, the bottom, however you want. You can also specify or use it, but I will not be going back to the demonstrating with the top, left, right, as I did with the position absolute and fixed. Okay, because I believe and I know that you now have it, so you can try as much as possible and go over them so that you get them on your fingertips. All right, and let me say this one too once again. Please kindly consider subscribing, like and share the video with your friends. Give us your like. This is what make YouTube promote our videos. Okay, try as much as possible also to give us comments, right? Your comment, for this is the main reason why we comes out every day with the content such as this. All right, so do well to try as much as possible. And also Telegram that we use for our practicals and our lessons. Those that are on the channel, you know what we do there. If you are not on the channel, you can go to Telegram and search for Code with Ibra. Okay, you go there, you find our channel. There are so many practicals questions, there are so many videos there. All right, so try as much as possible and get yourself enrolled so that you can get yourself equipped for the tech industries. All right, thank you so much, and let's move on to the next lecture.